Hi everyone, welcome back to FIXBOND. Is a swollen battery keeping your drone on the ground? Whether it's short flight times or a total failure to charge, don't rush to buy a replacement just yet. Today, we're doing more than a simple repair, we're performing a total power overhaul. By swapping out those old, bulging cells for high-density units, we're not only fixing the issue but actually expanding your drone's endurance. Stay tuned as we handle the precision teardown and BMS reset to get you back in the air with more power than ever. Let's get started.